Shivani, could you take me through your profile? Introduce yourself.
Yes, sir. I am Shivani, sir, and I am currently pursuing my BTech final year in Ramchandra College of Engineering in computer science stream. And I have done a specialization course in Python, and I've also certified in Python Flask framework. And I also worked in a project of digitalizing operations of Ramchandra College of Engineering. And recently I worked in a project based on machine learning, which is galaxy classification. I have experience in working with the people, and I am someone who always seeking to learn and develop. And I always use creative side to help the business grow and offer the best services to the customers. And outside of my work, I always keep myself fit and active. I'm a positive person who embraces the change and always take responsibility for my own professional development. So that's all about me, sir. Thank you.
Why did you join computer science engineering, Shivani?
Actually, nowadays, as the world revolves around the technology, so everything that we use is right now is based on the technology. So from my childhood, I've just got interested in how the entire technology is developing and how this is entire is working, like who are managing it, what is happening in the backend. So that takes me to this computer science engineering.
All right. So where do you see yourself 5 years from now?
I would see myself from 5 years from now as get placed in a good job and use my skills to do good repeated projects that adds the value to the company where I'm working.
Excellent answer, except one word saying good job. Can you define the concept of good job?
In my opinion, good job is like being placed in a good multinational company, so like where I can use all my skills to develop the company and also myself.
You're not keen about any particular company. Any IT company is okay with you, is it?
I am presently okay with any IT company, sir, but if I get an opportunity, I would allow to grab an opportunity in TCS.
And what drives you to TCS?
TCS, actually, I have heard that TCS is very supportive to their employers and it provides a good ideal environment for the employers. And my brother is also working there, sir, and his opinion working with TCS is like he's very good, pleasant in there, and he loves working there. So that also gives me a motivation and that also drives me to work in TCS.
Any preference place that you like to work?
No, sir. I can work at anywhere. I love to relocate.
Have you worked out of your hometown before? Have you stayed out of your hometown before?
No, sir. But
okay.
Yes, I love traveling, sir. So yes, if there is an opportunity to relocate, then I definitely relocate.
Shivani, would you consider yourself to be a creative person?
Yes, sir. I consider myself as a creative person.
Have you done anything different from others?
Yes, sir. While working in a project in digitalizing operations of RCE, me and my team have worked on different modules, but I individually worked in a separate module and I've completed it before the deadline where others have some difficulties and I've worked for them too. So yes, I can tell myself as creative there, not for working more ahead of deadline, but something that I've just given a result which is something creative than them.
See, now most IT companies are working from home.
Yes, sir.
You think this concept is going to continue or it's going to end soon? Work from home.
I think it's gonna end soon, sir, because as COVID is gradually decreasing, so maybe every employer should go out of their home to work.
Not really. Work from home is here to stay. Of course, you're right, partially in the sense it will come down. Many people would have to go back to office, but the IT industry has seen the advantage, the money it can save by making people work from home. And we're talking about billions per company. So work from
Yes.
home is here to stay. It's going to stay for a long time.
Okay, sir.
So that's a big advantage. I thought I will share that with you. Shivani, I would like to talk more with you, but we're running out of time. And I see Bhavani has joined in again. She got
Yes, sir.
disconnected. So do you have any questions for me, dear?
Can you please rate me out of 10, sir?
Is this a common question that your faculty asked you to ask?
No, sir. Not really, sir.
Because most of the students from batch one have asked this question. Nothing wrong. It's a good question.
Hmm.
All right. You have done extremely well, Shivani. I would rate you at 8 out of 10, not including the technical part. I would have asked you technical questions too, but yes, I am able to conduct this interview in the last few minutes and we don't have the luxury of time. So, but yes, 8 is pretty good. You're given excellent answers. Your command over the language is very nice, and you're pretty confident, and you're very humble
Thanks.
too. So I'm sure you will easily get through the digital pattern of TCS.
Thank you, sir.
All the best, Shivani. Bye-bye.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Bhavani, what happened to you?
Yes, I got it.